Away they go. Sugar Glaze fast to begin running by the release witness in Manila. Dico Akalain, so it's you alongside Conqueror. Under further outside Kate Ganda by the release final judgment. Wondrous Win and Rinabaran Good Humor alongside Unpredictable. Fourth last, Potpot's Love. Third last, entry number 12. And this one is Don Vicente. And second last, Boss General Boerin is running in 14th. Witness in Manila by Hapaland, followed by So It's You in second. Sugar Glaze Kid, Ganda on the outside, final judgment, 5th, 6th, Dico Akalain. Rushing up in 7th position, Wondrous Win, 8 belongs to Unpredictable, 9 Conqueror, and 10 is Good Humor as they race the final corner. Witness in Manila by Lincoln up, So It's You. Sugar Glaze, and on the outside, Kate Ganda, final judgment. Witness in Manila, So It's You. Sugar Glaze on the outside. Witness in Manila, Sugar Glaze, So It's You. And finally, it's going to be Witness in Manila. So it's you, Sugar Glaze, Dico Akalain, Kate Ganda, and for your Super 6, number 2, final judgment.